A report is compiled every 4 years by the American Society of Civil Engineers regarding the water infrastructure in the U.S. Guess what the current grade is as of 2017? A big fat D. You can read more about this by clicking on the link in the description. Water pipes have only so long of a lifespan. It's estimated some of the pipes are 75 years old or older. Water utilities are going to face significant needs for pipe replacement over the next few decades. According to the AWWA, replacement of pipes installed from the late 1800s to the 1950s is now in progress. Moreover, the AWWA states that these replacement costs, combined with projected expansion costs, are going to run more than $1 trillion over the next couple of decades. Pipes in cities all across America are now really beginning to show their age, and there are valid reasons to be concerned. A major issue is corrosion. The CDC says many water quality factors affect corrosion of pipes, including the chemistry and characteristics of the water, such as the pH, alkalinity, and biology, salts and chemicals that are dissolved in the water, and the physical properties of the water itself, such as temperature, gases, and solid particles. They go on to say, and because some household plumbing fixtures may contain lead or copper, corrosive waters can leach or pick up lead and copper from household plumbing pipes after entering a home. This is a greater issue for older houses, typically houses built before 1981, especially if the plumbing system has not been replaced. So we're talking about heavy metals which can impact your health. According to the Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service, copper contamination can cause gastrointestinal problems in the short term and damage the liver and kidneys over time. Lead contamination can cause physical and mental development problems in children. In adults, it can lead to high blood pressure and kidney problems. So water, soil, pipes, they are all factors in corrosion. But water treatment strategies also play a role. There are more than 40 chemical additives that can be used to treat drinking water. Many of these commonly used additives are acidic, such as ferric chloride and aluminum sulfate. They're added to remove turbidity and other particulate matter. Various chlorine disinfectants also act as acids and have the potential to reduce pH, alkalinity, and buffer intensity. Buffer intensity, by the way, is defined as the moles per liter of strong base, which when added to a solution causes a unit change in pH. Now, the CDC maintains data sheets on chemical compounds. Look them up at the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health. You will find that ferric chloride and aluminum sulfate are both listed as potentially causing abdominal pain, nausea, and vomiting if ingested. I could go on and on about the contaminants in our tap water, but I think you've got a good picture of it now. Basically, corrosion means junk in your water. Did you know each day it is estimated that about 850 water main breaks occur in North America? And if you follow me for very long, you'll see there are boil water orders every single day related to this topic. The nation from coast to coast are experiencing water infrastructure concerns due to aging pipes. Here's the bottom line. Your best protection against an aging water supply and the possibility of unexpected contaminants potentially entering your water supply is to take control of the water you consume. Having a final barrier system like a Berkey water purification system is a practical way to protect yourself and your family from the contaminants that could enter your tap water through these pipes. Final barrier systems are not something new, and many different organizations and governmental agencies have recently come out suggesting people use one. I'm not picking on the municipalities themselves, nor those that work for them. Most are good people doing their job. But remember that contamination of your drinking water can occur after the water leaves a public treatment facility and flows through old, leaching, and corrosive plumbing material. Berkey systems will reduce or remove those contaminants I mentioned earlier, such as trihalomethanes, bromide, copper, and lead. Additionally, the black Berkey purification elements, which are the heart of the Berkey system, also take out potential contaminants such as viruses, bacteria, heavy metals, pesticides, volatile organic compounds, rust, silt, sediment, that sulfur rotten egg smell, petroleum products, radiological contaminants, all sorts of chemicals, and even pharmaceutical drugs. If you ever have any questions about Berkey, please leave a comment below and make sure you like and share this video so we can reach more and more people.